It's the fisherman that just came in. Yeah, you just catch these.
Yeah.
I'm pretty, sir.
Yeah.
Couple of those, curry steamed fish and one ketchup steamed fish. What kind of fish already be?
Funny car catch early.
Big one.
What kind of fish them there? Eh? Oh? John? Grunt. Yes, Dad. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you ketchup steamed fish. So you're gonna need some okra, about a dozen, a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of dried basil, optional, and parsley, a teaspoon of dried pimento berries, a piece of ginger, spring of thyme, butter, tomato, onion, some oil, coconut oil preferably, scotch bonnet pepper, ketchup, stack of scallion, a carrot, chocha, and some water. And that's what I'm using today. Some grunts. Garlic, you should strip it off properly. Just peel it. I'm doing 2 sets of seasoning, and then at some point it's gonna split. Let's cut this out. Strip this leaf off. Get the dead leaves off. Cut the tips. And a piece of ginger. Let's make sure it's cleaned. Rinse. We're gonna add the herbs while it stews. So I'm going to prep onions. Just strip it off. So you take off just this layer. We saw the man wash these. Well, them fish are big, man. Down there they look smaller, up here they look bigger. Just be careful because this is grunt. Fresh right out of the sea. Last night this caught. This didn't even go to no supermarket. Pour some white vinegar. White vinegar. And wash this. Just gonna rinse it and throw away the water. Something like this one. Rinse this, rinse it. Cut the top off and then cut the bottom off. Dice and slice. True and ginger. Over there. Garlic. Salt, I never said salt, but tablespoon. This is 2 pounds of fish grunt. It's about 1.5 pounds each. Berries. Teaspoon of it, half a teaspoon there, half a teaspoon over here. Pepper. Smells strong. It smells so strong. One over there, one over there. White vinegar over there. And a clean here. So allow this to marinate. About 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour. It all depends on the time you have. It's a side for later. You can put it in like this too, you know, but I'm gonna dice it. Sure you get them fresh and tender. Alright, rinse this. Just dice them. About an inch or half an inch. That's for the carrot now. Let's do that. I'll make some strips. That's it. I think that's my video. like that. Add oil. It's a little tip, like 2 tablespoons. Put to eat a pot for stewing and put the stove gauge on low. On high, just to get the oil hot. I'm just going to saute the onions for a little while. Just add a couple of pieces of the onion. Seasoning. Two tablespoons of butter. Put the stove gauge on low. Add the herbs. You can add a little rosemary too if you want, optional. Add the okra. Just cover it properly and just allow it to simmer. This should take around 12 to 15 minutes. But when it comes to 12 minutes or so, we're going to add the tomato and the carrot. Stove is on low. When I say low, I don't mean very low, you know, just low, because you want it to cook. Just to show you, this is how it look after 2 minutes. Just want to keep it just like that. I don't know if I said it, but that was 1 cup of water. 7 minutes in. Let's flip it. I'm gonna turn it on very low. Just let it stay. Gravy may watch. Add the ketchup and stir it in. Alright, that was a cup. That was 3/4 cups of ketchup. You can add about a cup after 10 minutes. Let's let it simmer. Cover it and let it simmer. Alright, that's it. After 12 minutes, finish. You can go up to 15 minutes the most, but it's finished. Alright, just to explain something to you. If you're steaming bami, you take the bami and just put on top like this. Like this. About 5 minutes to the end. That's for steam. Or crackers, you can put crackers over it about 2 or 3 minutes to the end. Or you can eat it just like this. It's just simple by itself. See, it's tender. I was told that grunt make the best steamed fish. The grunt fish. This is nice. Tell you how to eat fish. Just eat the flesh off like this. Put this to the side. Don't even touch it yet. Now that you eat the top off, you just do this. And then you put this in your mouth. And then suck it. And then throw it away. Don't just suck it. And throw it away. And if the tail was here, you pop that off, you suck that, and throw it away. Then you just take this part out. This make a bead. This now. Just suck this. Suck it. That's it. Now this is like a fillet, no bone, so you can eat this with comfort. Once you take off this, suck this. And just eat it slow and patient. And that's it. So straight fillet. I don't like skin fish, fish skin. So what I do is just suck it and chew it and probably throw it out. The skin always tastes funny to me. Especially this one, grunt. If it was snapper, you wouldn't have to take it off, but grunt, the fisherman told me that the grunt is a deep water fish, so the skin is thick. It's hard to say, I don't eat fish head, so this is gonna throw away. But people love fish head. I'm so when I feel off. It's iron. Fish head have a lot of iron. Women love fish head. This fish is so fresh. It tastes fresh. It's just fresh. You would never think this comes from the sea. Nice. From now on, my friend is a fisherman, so good for me. I'm gonna go down by the sea and get my fish and come up. This was caught in the Kingston tide, out sea, out deep sea, Kingston. Downtown. Alright, so this part, I just suck it and take the bone out and I finish. That's how you should eat fish. Don't waste it. Now I'm gonna eat the second one now. And if I was the type that eat fish head, man, all of this would have been bone. But I like fish head, man. It's really not fish head for eat. I want them high on something, man. I like it. But people love these kind of stuff. How did I eat this ketchup steamed fish? How would I describe it? Well, my palate right now is leave me with a tangy aftertaste, like all over my in my mouth. It have a tangy flavor. I know it come from. It's the vinegar, the white vinegar and the ketchup. And probably I put a little in the thing, so the whole thing is have this tangy flavor. So you can also call it sweet and sour steamed fish. You know, I guess if I had some sugar to it and pineapple, it could be sweet and sour steamed fish.